This is AP News Minute. A hurricane warning has been issued for a section of Texas's Gulf Coast as Tropical Storm Harvey approaches. The U.S. National Hurricane Center says Harvey is expected to strengthen as it approaches the southern Texas coast. Charlottesville residents are getting a chance to talk with city officials about a white nationalist rally earlier this month that devolved into deadly violence. The Virginia city is hosting what it calls a community recovery town hall. This comes after the city's statue of Confederate General Robert E. Lee was covered in black, a move intended to symbolize the city's mourning for a woman killed while protesting white nationalists. White House envoy Jared Kushner has begun a round of talks with Israeli and Palestinian leaders as he resumes efforts to restart peace talks. His arrival was met by Palestinian protests over the lack of vision for peace in the Middle East. And there's just one lucky winner. The only winning ticket for the Powerball $750 million jackpot has been sold in Chicopee, Massachusetts. It's the largest grand prize won by a single lottery ticket in U.S. history. Tracy Brown, Associated Press with AP News Minute.